All right, what's up, guys? Sniper Nick here, coming in live again. Today we'll be going over PIXY right here. As you can see, we played a little late day move here on a nice little push from 4 to 445. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right into the action, and we'll check the end of the day around 3:45. So here we go, bam. All right, so I'm watching it now, guys. Is this stock is holding 60% on the day? All right, so it is shown that it could push. If you look at the stock yearly in the past, you would see some other really big green candles, which shows that it has spikeability as well. So now I'm actually looking at it as it's starting to break all other resistance and go to test that 415. So I'm actually looking to get in. I love that it broke that four resistance. So I'm looking, but I really don't like buying into rips. At 345, sometimes I'll do it, but I feel more comfortable buying into dips. So as you can see, I start to be a little bit patient. Also, the spread on this stock is pretty big, so I'm going to go ahead and be patient. As you can see, it is starting to dip before it went ahead and tested that 415. So good that I was patient. And now I'm just watching to see where would be a good entry spot. Now keep in mind, guys, as I'm looking at this chart on the daily, it looks like it has great support at 380. So I would love to grab it around 380. Now on this dip here, since the support is 380, it'd be ideal, of course, to grab it sometime on this dip. As I fast forwarded a little bit, as you can see, this dip held 380. I did miss buying on the dip. You know, it's getting a little bit of a bounce, but I love that it held that 380. So as you can see now, I'm putting in my buy order for right there at 405, and I'm risking that 382 low that it just made. As you can see, it didn't really test 480 exactly. It made a little bit of a higher low. And now we're getting a push. And honestly, I think now that it's 354, still holding 57%, I'm thinking that it could break this 415. And my goal is to sell for, with this stock, it is already up 60%. I want to make a quick move on this. Now, if it does get a big enough push here at the end, if I can make a quick 10%, I'll take it. But if not, I'll go ahead and hold it overnight, and maybe we'll get a gap up. But ideally, I'm looking for this stock. I'm looking for a quick move here. So as you can see, it's kind of slow right now. It is 354. Now it looks like 4 might be starting to give it some problems again. I do like that it broke the 4 resistance about 5 minutes ago. But now that I'm in, I'm just sitting back and I'm letting it play out. My plan is if it gets to 380, I'm going to cut it. But if it gets past 415, then I think we're going to be golden and we can get a strong push for a potential quick 10 to 15%. I'm actually looking if I should add here. But now, bam, it's already making its move back up. So 356, it's testing that first resistance, that high that it just made. Just breaks it looks like. And bam, now we have a new high of day. This is ideal, guys. You have to love this setup. If you think about this, if you sit back and think about what's going on here, the stock was holding 50%, 57% all day. It's up on news, right? It has amazing volume compared to the past, has big spikes in the past. And check this out. It's going towards the high of the day at the end of the day. Now that it breaks the high of the day, it breaks that resistance. Now let's see how high it can go. If it can get in the 440s, I'll consider selling it. But if not, I'll probably just hold it and risk it with that 380 cut. We are getting a strong push though, so this is a good sign. Let's see what PIXY can do here. Gotta love that long term. That daily chart. That's a daily chart that you saw right there. And now it's getting even more of a push. So I sped the clock up a little bit just to show you guys what's going on. It's getting more of a push. It's 3:59 now. We got one more minute to close. It did hit 4:30. Got a little bit of a dip. Pushing back to 4:30. And bam, there's the close at 4:27. So that is nice. Closing around the high day. Now, as I fast forward a little bit, check this out. It actually got to 4:35 after I was creeped up there. And now I'm actually looking to sell. Because this is 4:42, right? I'm about to leave my job. We're up about 300 something in this. It was a quick move. I literally got in right at 355. Right? So what is this? A 35-minute trade? I'm up about 350 bucks in 35 minutes. Bam. As you can see, it took some of me at first, and then I went ahead and took the rest. And I am out, and I just secured the bag on a quick 35-minute move, made over $350, and that's how you want to play it. Right there. Had the risk set, never tested risk. At the end of the day, it was holding really big gains throughout the day, and it gets that strong close. And with that strong close, we get a nice push, and then also a continuation into after hours, where you can secure 10 to 15%. Now, I didn't even get the greatest buy position, as you guys saw. You could have grabbed a better position around 390 or even around 385 and made even more. I don't even think I'm honestly amazing. I think definitely we're going to find a lot more people that are going to be really good, and I'm excited to meet those people. Check this recap out, 350 in 20 minutes. You can check our post, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and check us out on Instagram right here. As you can see, we're posting trades. We also post some of our picks on there. You can also check us out on Twitter. We're pretty active on Twitter. We'll go ahead. Sometimes we'll post what we're watching throughout the day. So go ahead and check us there. The tag there is The Stock Snipers. And also on Facebook. We're currently posting all of our morning watch lists on Facebook right now. As we're getting our site worked on, as we're getting that up, we're working on this Facebook to get our watch list out there. So go ahead and follow us. All right, guys. Everyone have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys soon. See you later.